Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. As you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those projects in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm going to share a great project with you all. So you must have to check out this project by yourself as well. Let's move to our site. But before we begin, I want you all to please, if you're new to my channel, haven't subscribed yet. So subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's Shogun Shiba. Shogun Shiba, a killer meme, bigger dream. Vibrant decentralized ecosystem. So Shogun Shiba is the new dog in the crypto empire inspired by his brother Shiba Inu. Shogun Shiba is a military dictator birthed by the online Shiba fan community. Shogun Shiba looks cute, isn't he? But don't go by his looks. He seeks to impress his brother Shiba Inu by waging a war against slippage by starting his very own zero slippage decentralized exchange called Trayoj. Japan is term for exchange. Token Shiba token is a hyper-deflationary with functions like burn, auto LP, and static reflections that reward holders and give special rewards to demos. So this is the link to buy the token, and then we have their official contract address. This is a meme token. What from what they got this is his brother Shiba Inu, and the main feature they're providing is zero slippage. So you can buy the token right from here. You have given a direct link to buy token. Then we have their official contract address. They're currently in their pre-sale phase, and we have the link to their social channels. You can check out on Insta, Medium. You must have to follow them on Twitter and join their Telegram community, so you will be the part of their team, the investors, and you will have a better vision about their project. And you can contact them as well, and plus you will know more about the investors and community. So you must have to follow them on their social channels as well. So as I already said that Shogun Shiba is currently in their pre-sale phase, and how you can buy from their pre-sale is please use tab browser extension, example MetaMask or Trust Wallet, whatever wallet you want to use. And you can even use refer. If you refer to someone to buy Shogun Shiba, so you will be getting bonus of that. Listing price 1 BNB will be for 38,000 Shogun Shiba, 250 plus bonus. Token address they have provided, you can get this token address and add the token, and then you can buy it from their pre-sale, or write the amount for you have to buy, and then you go for buy token. You have to paste this link on your dApps, connect your wallet, and then you can buy Shogun Shiba tokens from their pre-sale. So their pre-sale was started at September 25 1830, and the ending time is Sunday, October 17. So you have many days left, but not so much. So you, if you want to buy Shogun Shiba from their pre-sale in a huge discount, so you can buy it now. Just go to this site and connect your wallet and buy for it. You can also buy tokens by sending BNB to this contract address. Cash limit minimum they have mentioned. Then you can just have to copy this address and send BNB to this address, and the amount of Shogun Shiba tokens will be sent to your wallet. So this is the refer program. Share a refer link and get paid instantly to your wallet for every refer token purchase. So whoever buys the token from your refer, total paid to refer till now is 0 BNB, and the refer commission will be 2% for you whoever buys by your refer. So your refer earning will be mentioned here. You can just generate your link from here and then copy the link, paste your BP20 wallet address there, and get your link. So now we have their Twitter as well, Shogun Shiba. Welcome to Shogun Shiba Twitter. Let's kill the slippage. As they already mentioned that they are working with zero slippage. Finally, wait is over. Pre-sale starts on 25th September. So this is the pre-sale. Wait is over. Pre-sale starts from 26th September. They have already featured in CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Yahoo, MarketWatch, and many other news channels. So their marketing is really well, and the project is going really well as well. The listing price they have mentioned, pre-sale price, etc. You can check it out from their website and from this and the tweets as well. So We are thrilled to announce our next AMA with Shogun Ship on 24 September 5 p.m. UTC. So, if you follow them on social channels, you'll be notified about their updates, about their marketing things and AMAs, etc. on right time. Okay, so let's check, and you can check out their chart as well. BSC scan, we have Shogun Shiba on BSC scan available, so you can check their holders and their transaction details, etc. Then, if you don't know how to buy, so you have a tutorial link to know how you can buy tokens. Okay, so prepare yourself for pure DeFi. Let us kill the slippage. Rogue employs the peer-to-peer concept in decentralized transaction. Our advanced program arranges a rate straight between both the buyers and seller, completely avoiding slippage. So this is the DEX app that the DEX app for Shiba Inu. DEX app for mobile trading with zero slippage. Roige is a zero slippage system that is quick and reliable. Use the app to store, transfer, acquire, and trade your BSC, Ethereum, and Tron assets. One app for managing your crypto and getting the best fair marketing price DeFi. So you can use this app as well. Then the seamless user interface. These are the features that they are providing from their app. You can check it out, secure, anonymous. So and they are providing DEX as well. You can check this app from their website. And then let's check out on BSC scan. So we have Shogun Shiba on BSC scan as well. You can check out their total supply, their holders, recent transactions, etc. And this is the link to their pre-sale that we have already discussed. Okay, so now let's get back to their website. So Demios, if you never heard of it, so they have mentioned that in Japanese federal system, daimyos were wealthy landlords, primary contributors to the system. So in Shogun Shiba, they have given this title to the top 10 contributors by private sale and pre-sale. So you can get this title by contributing more and more in their private and pre-sale. And then the special rewards to Demios and why a business without an initial funding source will flounder under the weight of its own debt. Hence, Shogun Chiba feels grateful to his early contributors and wants to build a forever relationship with them. So he decided to reward Demios with 1% redistribution and 3% revenue share from Royage and Ichi. So you can join, you can contribute as much as you can, and you can get the reward system they are giving to their demios. And how will Revoice and Ichiba help Shogun Shiba clan and demios? 10% revenue from Roich and Ichiba will be used for further buy and back burn, reducing supply exponentially and increasing value of Shogun Shiba coin. 3% of revenue from Roich and Ichiba will be distributed among demios. Then we have their tokenomics. You can check out their tokenomics. So the token distribution is 5% for dev and team wallet, 4% for airdrop and reward system, 5% for marketing and operations, 25% burnt, 10% for private sale, 17% for pre-sale, and then 24% for liquidity and CX listing. The tax distribution is mentioned here. Burn 2%, auto liquidity 2%, Demios 1%, charity and marketing 1%, British division holders 3%. The tokens total supply they have mentioned, coins burned they have mentioned, circulating supply is not till now, it's in pre-sale phase. Then the redistribution to Demios is Demios receive 1% of every transaction, and then the charity marketing is 1%. So they have mentioned everything on their ratio as well, auto liquidity, etc. Then we have roadmap. The first phase was website launching, social media setup, airdrop camping, 5,000 telegram members, marketing to push awareness, private sale, whitelisting, and then private sale. Then the second phase, deploy a smart contract on BSC, burn 25% supply, tokens locked for 2 years, 25K Telegram members, issue white paper, third party audit, pre-sale on Unicrypt, CMC, and CoinGecko listing. The third phase, liquidity locked, LP tokens burned, listing on PancakeSwap, Hotbit, mega influencers collaborations, development of Revenge, 50K Telegram members. Fourth phase you can see is launch Voyage on Play Store and iOS Store. Include Demeos wallet and smart contract for revenue share and redistribution. Hire mega influencer with more than 30 million followers on Twitter. The fifth phase will be redesigning of website, launch the last Shogun 2D game on Google Play Store and iOS Store, launch Ichiba NFT Marketplace, further roadmap to decide by Shogun Shiba clan. So as I already said that they have already seen in many news channels, their marketing is on high level. You can check, let's check it out. You can check them on AP News. Shogun Shiba establishes first tale to begin journey as the next prodigy of the meme token movement, disrupting that traditional finance. So this is the news regarding Shogun Shiba on AP News. Then we have Market Watch, Shogun Shiba on Market Watch. High potential DeFi project Shogun Shiba initiates token sale. So the pre-sale details are on everywhere, every other news channels. You can see not just the one mentioned on their website. You can join the Telegram community and you will see that they have already mentioned on many news channels. This is from Yahoo.Finance. You can check it out from Yahoo.Finance as well. And then more you have mentioned on their website. Then we have the contact form if you have any type of query regarding the project, regarding your pre-sale or anything. So you can get in touch with them. You just have to put your name, email, and you can send them a message. And you can and, and also you can subscribe to their newsletters. You just have to put your email right here and you can subscribe to their newsletter as well. So this was our project for today, Shogun Shiba. And Shogun Shiba is cute, but don't go to his looks. He's creating a war with his brother Shiba Inu by creating a zero slippage. So I'll provide the links in the description. They're having their pre-sale phase. You can buy from their pre-sale and you can do your own research. You can check out the project by yourself. They are doing great marketing. They have listed in many news channels, many news sites, and doing a great marketing. So project is going really well, and if you buy it now, if you hold the tokens now, you will be getting reward as well. Plus, as in coming days, you will get the benefit, and you will get a good return of your amount. So do your own research, and if you're satisfied, you invest in it. I'll provide all the links in my description. If you like the video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell notification. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.